Alright, in this video, I'll show you how to upload that image into Midjourney so you can reuse it as a prompt. So first, you pick an image that you want to use as a prompt. So let's say we want to use this one. So you click on it, right click, and go to grab the image address right here, copy image address. And you would come back to enter the prompt /imagine. And then you would paste the image first, and then follow by the text prompt. Let's put with the crown, and you would follow at the end with any parameters that you want to add, and then you press enter. So this is what Midjourney generated, which is way off from what I had in mind and way off from the original composition of the image. This is what happens when I was not specific with the image weight. I'll show you exactly what I mean by that in a second. To retain the composition of the original image, so let's say we grab the link again, come back down, and we would add the image weight with a gold crown. So we would simply add one more parameter at the end, which is --IW, which stands for image weight. So the higher of the image weight, the more of the original picture's composition will be retained. So the highest number will be 2. So let's go 1.75 and then press enter. And then this is what it was generated, much closer to what we wanted. And yeah, so that's how you incorporate picture into your prompt in Midjourney.